Hey, if you lost one of your Sony WF-1000XM5 and you are still connected with your device, you can actually try to track them by using the sound recognizing. So you'll have to go into the settings, then move for connected devices and click on the settings icon of your earbuds. Then go for find device, and now if you lost, for example, the right one, just click on the ring right. And now the ring earbud volume is increasing every one beep. Currently it's almost, you almost cannot hear this, but after a few seconds the sound will be really loud, so it will be actually quite easy to locate this device. So this is actually how it sounds. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera. And once you find it, you have to click on the mute right. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.